a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Hey guys, it's LJEST2004 here, and today we're going to do another DVD opening, and this DVD is Family Guy presents Blue Harvest from 2008. Here's the front, spine, no profile picture, and the back. Here's the disc. If you think you know Family Guy, you don't know Sith.
We now return to Sunday Golf on CBS.
And Mickelson here trying to save par. And there's Mickelson's wife. God, is she hot.
Look at that rack. There's a downhill lie for you.
Oh, they're just out there begging to be touched, pleading. How many golf